Alright, so the topic for today's discussion is LCM. LCM. LCM simply means least common multiple. So, as the term least common multiple suggests, that there are two numbers, a number x and a number y. So, these two will have a multiple which will be common. So let us suppose these x and y are 2 and 3. So we have to find out a multiple of 2 and a multiple of 3 which are same. So let us write it as 2 and 3. We will write 2, the second multiple of 2 into 2 is 4, 2 into 3 is 6, 2 into 4 is 8, and 2 into 5 is 10, 2 into 6 is 12. Similarly, 3 into 1 is 3, 3 multiplied by 2 is 6, 3 multiplied by 3 is 9, 3 multiplied by 4 is 12, 5 is 15, and 18, so on and so forth. So what we have to find out is the least, the first number, the multiple which is the first multiple of 2 and 3 which is common. So 2, we see that 2 and 3 are not common, 4 is not in any of the multiples of 3, and we see 6, and we see 6 here also. So we see that 6 is a common multiple, and it is the first multiple which is common in both 2 and 3. So it means that 6 will be the LCM, that is least common multiple of 2 and 3. So here 2 and 3 have a common multiple which is equal to 6, and it is the least common multiple. That means the first multiple of 2 and 3 which is common to both of them, that is 6. Let us take another example. Let us see 5 and 7. So 5 into 1 is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, and 7 is 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49. So we have to find out a number which is common in both 5 and 7. So we see 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 7, and we can see that 35 is common in both of them. So 35 is LCM of 5 and 7. This is how we simply find out LCM of two numbers, but we will not find the LCM of two numbers by this method, because this is a very long method, and we will be very quick with our finding of the LCM thing. So we have another short method here. So let us study about the shortcut of finding the LCM. So shortcut of LCM. Let us suppose we have two numbers which are 6 and 16. What we will do, we will make a little table here. Like, we will choose a number which is common divisor, which is a common factor of both. So let us take 2. We can see that 6 is also even and 16 is also even. 16 and 6 have a common factor, that is 2. So we will divide. So 3 times 2 is 6. So we will write the answer quotient here. And 8 times 2 is 16. Now, can we find a common factor of 3 and 8? No. So we'll simply multiply 3 into 1, and we will bring down 8 as it is. We have not done anything to 8, so now we are left with 8. We will also complete the 8 part. Now we are left with 1. So in LCM we keep doing these steps until we are left with 1s on both of the sides, and hence the LCM of the numbers is simply 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 8 is equals to 8. So 2 times 3 is 6, 3 times 8 is 24. 3 into 6, oh sorry, the answer is not 24. 2 times 3 is 6, 6 times 8 is 48. 48. So LCM of 6 and 16, LCM of 6 and 16 is 48. This is the shortcut method. Let us take another example so we have a clear picture of how to find LCM. Let us take some big numbers like 16 and maybe 24. We can see 2 as a common factor. 2 times 8 is 16, 2 times 12. Again, 2 is a common factor of 8 and 12. 2 times 4 is 12, 2 times 6 is 12, and 2 times 4 is 8. Alright, so 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 3. So now we can see that 2 and 3 have no common factors between them apart from 1. So we'll simply do this 3 as it is and 2 into 3. Sorry. And here we are left. 2 is finished. We have completely divided the 2 part and we are left with 1. So now 3, we are left with 1 on the both sides. Alright, so we can see here. See, we can see here so 16 and for 24, the LCM will be 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. So LCM of 16 and 24 is equals to 2 into 2 into 2, 4 times 2 and 3. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16 into 3, 48. Alright, so LCM of 16 and 12 is 48. Similarly, we can find LCM of any times any numbers. See, let us suppose we are given 3 numbers, so 6, 7 and 12. We have to find LCM of 6, 7 and 12. So we need to find a number which is a multiple of 6, 7 and 12. So we will do the same, apply the shortcut and 12. So we will take the common numbers which can be divided by 2. So 2 times 3, 7 is not getting divided, so we'll simply write 7 as it is. So 2 times 6 is 12. Alright, so we can see 3 as a common factor here. 3 times 1, 7 will be as it is, and 3 times 2. Now, and we can see 7. So this will be as it is, and 2 will be as it is. So now 2, 1, 1, 1. Alright. So the LCM is 2 times 3 times 7 times 2. So what is the answer? 2 times 3 is 6, 6 into 7 is 42, 42 into 2 is 84. So 84 is the number which is a multiple of 6, 7 and 12, and it is the smallest number which is a common multiple of 6, 7 and 12. Alright, so let us wrap up this video. Thank you for watching.